Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where every percent of your battery is precious, you might have turned on the super power saving mode on your Android device. It's a lifesaver, isn't it? But what happens when you need to switch back to the full functionalities of your phone? Today we're diving into how to turn off the super power saving mode on Android devices. So let's get started. So all you need to do is go to settings, then search for ultra power saving mode and simply toggle on or off the ultra power saving mode. This can vary slightly depending upon your device's manufacturer. And that's it. You will now exit super power saving mode and return to its full functionality. If for some reason you can't find the notification or if your phone doesn't exit the mode after following this step, don't worry, a quick restart of your device usually does the trick. Just press and hold the power button. Select restart and once your phone boots up, it should be back to normal.